Hi. Okay, so I wanted to, you were asking about the bathroom and how I clean my bathroom. And so here's how I clean it, and here's what I would recommend, okay? All right, so as you're getting started, obviously the first thing is just to kind of declutter, right? To kind of take things off the counters and put away as you can. So wherever things go, you can just put things away really quick. Okay, that's the first main thing. Okay, the next step, here's what I like to do, okay? You really only need an EnviroCloth. Now this happens to be a travel size EnviroCloth. The bigger cloth is about 4 of these. So imagine this plus another travel, plus another travel, plus another travel. That's how big the regular EnviroCloth is. So like if you're doing the entire house cleaning, that's probably what you would want to grab, because you can just, you know, fold it in half and just have this to work with. But for the bathroom, so that it could be super easy, I like to have a travel EnviroCloth, okay? And what I do is I have this little organizer right here. This is where I put like all of my, you know, personal stuff. This little organizer, and I just keep my little cloth here so that anytime I want to do a quick little clean, it's right there for me. The other thing that I like to have handy is you can do 1 or 2 things, okay? This is what I use. This is the bathroom cleaner. It's an enzyme. This is what you're going to use inside the toilet. However, it's very concentrated. So you're literally going to put just a couple drops and that's it, okay? But you can use it for the rest of your house, you know, for the bathroom or whatever, just a little droplet. And of course you're gonna wet this cloth right beforehand. And see, so it's kind of soapy. So I can take it and do a quick little clean. The other suggestion is if you end up getting the Safe Haven Plus, which is the EnviroCloth, window cloth, dusty mitt, and laundry detergent, with the cleaning paste as well, what you can do is you can just put a couple teaspoons of this laundry detergent in a spray bottle like this and mix it up with water. Now this is a Forever spray bottle. It's glass, but it's got this silicone thing, and it's 16 ounces. So it's like 2 of these little teaspoons plus 16 ounces. And I just labeled it UPP multi-purpose cleaner because I'm going to use this for anything. So really on a day-to-day basis, you can just keep that here along with your little cloth and just have it so that it's super easy to do a quick little cleanup anytime. You no longer have to have like, okay, weekly, I'm going to clean my bathroom. Like, you can just do it as you see it, okay? So what you're going to do is, if you just have the EnviroCloth here, you can work with your, you can just work with your faucets first, like this, and just do a quick wipe, clean, all right? And then you can do it inside here too, because you already have that little bit of that bathroom cleaner, and it's an enzyme, so you can just do like a quick clean. This might be a deep clean for you, and you don't do it that often. So you're going to rinse it off when you're done, but you can keep going because it has that cleaner in it. It's so concentrated that even if you rinse it off, then you can still keep going. And then you are going to keep a window cloth handy, because if you have granite, you can just wipe and polish with the window cloth. Now the window cloth stays nice and dry. You don't do anything, it's just like this, okay? It's this big. Now for your mirrors, what you're gonna do is that same cloth. Now before you use the bathroom cleaner, I would make sure that you know, you keep it nice, and no bathroom cleaner in here to do your windows. But for your windows, you're gonna take the same cloth and do the EnviroCloth first, and then you're gonna take your window cloth and you're gonna polish it, okay? Just like this. And it leaves it beautiful, streak-free, and then that's it. Okay, now for the toilet. Let me get you over here for the toilet really quick, okay? The toilet is a little bit different. So for the toilet, you're gonna start off with using the same bathroom enzyme, but you're literally gonna only put just a couple drops, because here's the deal. This is the rubber brush. I love it. It's got silver antibacterial, so it keeps your holder. This is the holder over here. It keeps it nice and clean, okay? And all you're gonna do is you're gonna agitate the water like this, and so you can see all the bubbles. You use this part for the inside, and then, you know, clean as you go along. Now this is an enzyme base, so you're gonna kind of let it sit there for a little bit, okay? And then you're just gonna take your cloth, the same cloth that you were just using, and you're gonna use it for the rest of this, you know, the toilet. And just do a quick little clean like this. And then you can even take your window cloth to polish it if you want to, or not. Now, I get a lot of dust in my toilet, so I do like to keep this little dust mitt. But any dust mitt, so if you get it in your Safe Haven 5 package, that dust mitt will come in there too. So, you know, you can have one just for toilets, but after you clean, you can dust the hair or whatever extra toilet paper dust that you get in there. You can dust the toilet. And then it makes it, this is a double-sided dusting mitt with the window cloth on the other side, but the dusting mitt will just work. All right, now I have another trick for inside the shower. Basically, you're gonna use the mop system for your walls. You can still use the bathroom cleaner for the rest of the floor, and same as the glass, you're gonna do the exact same thing as the windows. Okay, I hope that helps.